Police in Azad Jammu and Kashmir say 8 officers deployed for election duty have been abducted amid weeks of political unrest in the region. Police spokesperson Khawar Ali Shaukat alleged that members of the proscribed Joint Awami Action Committee or JAAC attacked security personnel and took the 8 highway police officers captive. He also alleged that the officers had been abused and that their families were threatened with their deaths if the group's demands were not met.
सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस जो तैनात की गई उन पे ना सिर्फ कलदम अवामी एक्शन कमेटी के कारिंदों की तरफ से हमले किए गए बल्कि धाबी ड्यूटी पर मामूर 8 हाईवे पुलिस एहलकारों को अगवा किया गया। उन एहलकारों पर तशद्दुद, इंसानियत सोज रवैया अख्तियार किया गया। अफसोस की बात यह है कि उन एहलकारों पर तशद्दुद करने के साथ साथ इन शर्त अनासर ने अपनी तमाम हदें क्रॉस करते हुए उनके अहले खाना को तंबीह की कि अगर इनके मुतालबात ना तस्लीम किए गए तो अगवा किए गए तमाम एहलकारों को शहीद कर दिया जाएगा।
Police called for the officers' immediate release and warned that any attempts to harm them or obstruct their return would result in strict action. The spokesperson accused the JAAC of using violence to challenge the state's authority. He urged residents to distance themselves from the group while saying the government had shown restraint during the unrest.
अवामी हकूक की आड़ में की जाने वाली कोई पुरतशद्दुद कार्रवाई, रियासती अदारों पर हमले किसी सूरत भी कानून से बालातर नहीं हो सकते। ये पुरतशद्दुद कार्रवाइयाँ और इनके ये अज़ाइम मैं आवाम से अपील करता हूँ कि अपने आप को इन शरपसंद अनासर से मुकम्मल तौर पर लाताल्लुक रखें और ऐसे पुरतशद्दुद वाक़यात का हिस्सा मत बने जिससे रियासती अदारे, रियासती निज़ाम और कानून और आइन के मुताबिक कार्रवाई अमल में लाई जाए।
The alleged abductions come as elections are being held in phases across AJK under tense security conditions. The JAAC has been protesting for several weeks, with one of its central demands being the abolition of 12 legislative seats reserved for refugees from Indian-occupied Kashmir. Tensions escalated on July 28th when protesters and security forces clashed in Rawalakot and Mirpur. Several casualties were reported. The AJK government says 7 police and Rangers personnel have been killed during the recent unrest. It has also accused militant elements backed by Indian funding of fueling the violence. With elections underway and the 8 officers' whereabouts uncertain, the confrontation between the authorities and the JAAC risks further escalating an already volatile situation.